For July, I am doing a resin project prompt for every day. And I will show you. So I asked AI what projects I should do. And so even if I don't know how to do it or I'm uncomfortable with it, I'm still going to do it. And I'll show you even if it looks like garbage. But it is what it is. Okay, so my first day was Galaxy in a bottle. I'm going to give this to my daughter. She really wants it. So I'm going to put an eye hook on here, make it into a necklace. It'll all be cute. And so that's day one. Day two was a, this one's embarrassing, a beach wave pendant. Now, that is something, if you stay with me, watch with me, grow with me, I will get better at this, I promise you. The third day was a resin heart. Oh well, with a rainbow in it. So what I did with this is that I had some UV resin drippings, and right here on this bumpy part, it got that pattern. So I broke a piece off, I colored it with acrylic paint markers, put it in there. And so for the fourth, what did I do for the fourth? Oh yes, it said to make a pressed flower heart keychain. So I made it red, white, and blue for the fourth, and I just outlined it with I think I put it on this channel. It's either a short or a video, but or it will be added later. But yeah, I thought it turned out cute. Added a keychain. It actually said like, make it into a magnet, but I wanted to make it into a keychain. Kind of big. If I do it again, I use smaller flowers, an actual heart mold, so it was more cleaned up. But I mean, I think it's cute. It's good. So that was fourth one. Let's see if I get this. And then right here said holographic bear. And you can see there, I just put in holographic vinyl at the bottom. And then I did a white base coat. Well, it's the bottom coat. It's at the base of the bear. You know what I mean. Anyway, very cute. Oh, that fell. And that fell. But these are my first 5 days. Today is going to be bigger. It's going to be multi-step. And so the prompt was a cosmic turtle. So I'm going to do this big boy. It's going to be a multi-step process. I'll get you above me so you can see down below. And let's see how that goes. And I'll probably put it on a time lapse. No, I will put it on a time lapse, just so that it is going to take some time because I'm going to do some different things and I don't want to blab the whole time. Anyway, so I'm going to get this set up, get it ready, and you'll see what I'm going to do. All right, see you in a second. All right, I'm also going to do a few other things that I'll add in to the end of this. Just a few things that I need to finish up. So I have this frog. I have glow-in-the-dark UV resin pieces from my jellyfish video. That's a couple videos back. I don't number my videos, but so my jellyfish video, these are drips from it, and I broke them up, put them in this frog. I think I'm going to put like a black multicolored glitter fill in the rest. Maybe not. I don't think I want to have half his mouth like there. I might do more clear with like a little bit of glitter and then do the rest. It'll probably be a couple more steps. I was thinking that's going to be one more step, but no, I'm rethinking that. I think I don't want him to have half a black mouth. I don't know. That's just not my thing. And then also I do make molds. If you've seen some of my other videos, this is a bangle that I found up in my cupboard. It's my daughter got it from like a church activity or something. I did an anchoring pour. I use this to anchor it in, and then I am going to do the final pour of the silicone, and then in a future video we will see how this turns out. To prep some stuff, then I'll put you on a time lapse as I go through the whole process of making my cosmic turtle for July prompt day 6. Okay, this time really. See you in a second. right, so I'm going to demold a few things. And look at this mess. Let me clean this up. But anyway, demold a few things. Oops. See if you can even see it. There's a frog that I used the glow in the dark pieces in. I should have used clear so you can see them better, but that's okay. Oh wow, they had a lot of overage. I'll just have to clean that up. But here's frog. And little neon lights frog or something, because he'll glow in the dark. Cute. Put him over here. Let's get rid of that. Alright. This Mickey Mouse with the Disney castle. In the background. Oh, there is some bubbles. Oh well. I think it looks cute. Oops. Look at that. And there's some bubbles. I didn't want bubbles. I just fill those in. But isn't that cute? I think it's cute. That looks good. Okay, now let's do this other one. There's some overage in it. I do not make these into shakers because I don't do shakers yet. Okay, here is this one. I like it. Very cute. And the Mickey Mouse colors, red and black. Alright, get those out of the way. And this I can just make into a cute little bow magnet. Add maybe a little bit of detail to it, but I don't know. I don't think I will. Okay, let's see if this guy is, I remember. I don't want to pop his head off. Hopefully he's cured enough. Yeah, he's good. Ooh, I like this one. It looks nice. Look at that. Just have to, let's see. I just like to get. I'll snip this off right here and just clean it up a bit. But I think that's a cute one. Make that into a little keychain or charm, whatever. So that guy right there. Here's a heart. Whoa! I think it's pretty. It's pretty. And it's got the glitter on through it. Looks really good. I needed to. There's some bubbles, but can't really avoid that all the time. Okay, so we're ready to demold this cosmic turtle, which is day 6. For the July prompts. And of course there's some, I wish the colors didn't come up, but that's okay. It's just the bottom of it. Let's see. I haven't even seen it. Let's see. Ooh. I really like it. All right, that is all. So we have the cosmic turtle, the mouse ears I'll make into magnets, got the balloon dog, the heart, that make this into a magnet, make this into a keychain. And then we have all these little ornament, these little things. I'll figure out how to fix those and figure out what I want to do with those. But this will turn into a magnet. I'll color that one. Oh, this as well. It's frog. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you like what you see and you want to see more, just like, comment, subscribe mostly. I'd love to have you back. I do post short form videos here on YouTube and TikTok. All right, you have a nice day. Bye.